Malaika Arora Khan launched Naturals Marvi Launch at Naturals Marvi Launch Waterfield Road, Bandra.
We are helpless without our makeup artists, hairstylists, our managers, our basic stylists. We're absolutely helpless. They really, I have to say, I mean, we are what we are because they run the show. They actually run the show behind the scenes, and when you actually see us in front of the camera, it's all their hard work. We just come here and we do our thing, but it is. I have to give them majority of the credit that really helps us in being what we are. Every makeup artist is different, and when I say that, I mean it in absolute honesty, because everybody has a different touch, a different technique, a different method. Literally, if you know, Marvi probably is great with eyes, somebody else is great with the base that they do, or somebody else is great with the kind of colors that they use. So everybody's technique is different. So I would never ever say two makeup artists are similar. They all have something unique about them. We are very busy making films right now. I think all our concentration is over there, but that doesn't mean that I don't want to do anything else. I will be doing other things as well, but right now we want to start our next film, which hopefully we will start end of the year or beginning of next year. Jab hum chote the, I used to cry and beg to go down to play dandiya, and my mom used to be very strict. She used to say, no, you cannot go. But I only have memories of that, where we wanted to dress up and go down and play dandiya. Marvi is she's very good with eyes. She always knows how to accentuate the eyes really well, and I think Indian women have such beautiful eyes, so it's necessary to accentuate it. I think Navratri is a time to really experiment, purely because if you see the girls up when they play Garba, they play Dandiya, they really love dressing up. So whether it means their clothes, which are so colorful, what they do to their hair, what they do to their makeup, I think you can really experiment. And I think nowadays they don't just stop at just plain. I mean, whether it is tattoos, or whether it is nail art, or whether it is hair extensions, they all love experimenting with. I'm enjoying making films. Being a producer, I think I'm really enjoying that. एक अलग हिस्सा है मेरे लिए, एक अलग स्टोरी है मेरे लिए लाइफ में. So that's what I love doing. Acting मुझे कोई शौक नहीं acting करने की. I love dancing and I will continue doing that.
For Bollywood Helpline, Shilpi Rana with editor journalist Janish Maru.